Good morning. Yeah. So freshy. That is seriously. You get me out there. In Shinsom. Shin going out. Okay. Coffee tower in it. Yeah, got like got hingy or low side. Good, got hingy or low side. Warrior. Denwa. ဒါဝေရတော့ခွက်လို့ဖို့ဒီမှာ See you later